I am Dr. Satish Pangal. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to download rainfall data from CHRS portal and to create a rainfall map of long-term data using ArcGIS map software. So, to download data from CHRS portal, type CHRS rainfall data. Now, in the dataset, select this one. I'm going to download yearly data. You can download in any format. Domain, you can select any domain. I am selecting political divisions like this. Now go to download section, select the date. I am going to download from 2020 to 2025. Format, select TIFF, compression, zip and click on download. To again download. Now click on the download link. OK. After downloading, you will have to extract these files. I have already extracted the files. So now I will open ArcMap and will add these files. Before adding these files, we will have to check whether the downloaded file have a projection or not. To check, go to catalog and you can select your file, go to properties and see the spatial reference. It is undefined. First, we will define the spatial reference. To define, click on edit, WGS 1984, OK, then OK. In the same way, we will give projection to all our files. This properties, go to spatial reference, click on edit, select WGS 1984, OK, apply and OK. After giving spatial reference, we will drag these files in our software. Close the catalog. Now, we want to make a average rainfall map of this particular shape file. To make average rainfall, we will have to add all these data. To add on, click on Arc Toolbox. Go to Spatial Analyst tool, click on Map Algebra and select Raster Calculator. In the raster calculator, we will perform a operation. Start bracket, click on File, Add again, and in the same way we will add all files. Bracket close, divide by 5 because we have 5-year data. Click on OK. This is our composite file. I am renaming it. If you want, you can remove these files because now we don't need remove. After getting average rainfall data, what we will have to do? This is a raster file. First of all, we will convert raster to point. To convert this, we will select conversion tool, then from raster to point. Input value average rainfall in the field value and click on OK. This is our raster file. Now we will add our shape file of the area where we are working. Now we will project this raster to point file. To give projection this raster to point file, we will go to data management tool, then projection to transformer and select project. Raster to point file, coordinate. My study area fall in UTM zone 43 and I am selecting this. You may select according to your area. Now go to environment, processing extent and extent by your study area. Again go to raster analysis, mask edge your study area and click on OK. Now our raster to point file has been projected. To make rainfall map, now we will go to spatial analysis tool. Go to interpolation and IDW. IDW stands for inverse distance weightage. Click on this. Now select reprojected file. In the Z value grid code. And again go to environment, processing extent edge, your shape file, go to raster analysis, mask edge your shape file, click on OK and OK. This is our rainfall map. If you want to reclassify this, go to the file, click on properties, select number of classes as your requirement. You may also reclassify the break values. OK. You may also change the color by selecting color map. I am using this one. Apply and OK. Now our average rainfall map from CHRS data has been created. Thank you. Have a nice day.